everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a deposit not showing in your InvestEngine account. First, check the processing time of your deposit. Bank transfers and card payments can sometimes take several hours or even few business days to appear in your investment account. Next, go to the transaction or activity section in the InvestEngine app and check if the deposit is listed as pending. Sometimes the funds are received but still being processed before appearing in your available balance. You should also check your bank account to confirm that the payment was successfully sent to you and not declined or reserved. Another useful step is to refresh your app by logging out and logging back in again. This helps your app update your account information and display the latest balance. Make sure your InvestEngine app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store, search for the app, and make sure the app is updated, since outdated versions can sometimes fail to display recent transactions. If the deposit still does not appear after this expected processing time, contact InvestEngine support with your payment details so they can track the transactions. Now that's how you fix deposit not showing in your InvestEngine account. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide.